Hey guys, Multi-Bread here, and today we're going to be removing and replacing a wheel bearing on a 2011 Toyota Venza. Let's do it!
Alright, big old rims.
Take it off.
Grab it on the inside. Cracker loose. There we go. Not on. What the hell? Oh, dude, I think it's stripped. There we go. There it is. Okay. Don't want that hanging, do you?
They just pull straight out. I want to keep them so that we know which one's which.
Like a regular ratchet.
It's like that bolt and that one. Should take your whole caliper assembly off. Go for it. Pull it towards you.
Against the tire.
Come on.
Okay. So it's going to be out facing this way. And it goes on this side.
Alright.
Look at that. One step closer.
That's the hub.
Where's the wheel bearing at?
It's behind the hub. The hub is pressed into the wheel bearing.
What are we doing here, man? What are we doing here?
We're just trying to get this out. There you go. There you go. Just wasting it all. This is the tool you need for these 12 pointers. Impact. One of these. All right, next we're gonna take off the wheel speed sensor. It's right back here. Right back here. It's just one 10mm bolt. It's very loose already. Look at that. All right, 10mm. Pull it up, and it just pulls right out.
Take it out now, man. Those guys right there?
Yep.
All four of them? 2 here. 2 there. She's on there. There you go. Oh. There she goes. There you go.
Just pull them out.
They kind of spin out a little bit. It's kind of weird.
Somebody recently greased these up. That's cool.
Look
Somebody might have been in there recently. These are exactly the same, so I don't have to worry about them.
keep them together.
Look at that.
Nice.
Kind folks. Okay, now we're gonna pull the axle out.
Okay.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pull this forward and hopefully push the axle. Same time. Same time. All we had to do is that's all we had to do is get access to this. So you actually I didn't even have to take the tie rod off.
Nice.
But there has to be enough room for to use the tool too. So hopefully it'll be all right. Let's threads back now. Damage the threads. So hopefully there's enough room. You just have to have access to the front and the back.
That's what we've been hearing.
Yep.
It's pretty bad when you're going about 60.
Oh, it's terrible.
I can't imagine how the other side is.
Taking this seal out, just kind of prying on it, working my way around it until finally she popped out.
She's loose.
Yep.
Look at that.
So now we should have access to a snap ring. I'm going to clean it up a little bit so we can actually see it.
Yep.
Thanks. So what we're taking out here is a snap ring, and it's kind of tough to get in there to see, but it's on the outside edge of the bearing there, and it's like right in here. I got to grab it with the needle nose. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna have enough room. There. So I just kind of pried it loose.
Yeah.
Now you put on your safety glasses. You should have had them on anyway. And you take a screwdriver and you get underneath that snap ring. Start prying it up. Start prying her up. See what I'm doing there?
Yeah. Is it pretty solid or?
Yeah, they're very, it's really springy. It's like a spring. Best thing you can do is squeeze it and then pull it up. But it's kind of hard to. it is. Big snap ring. I was able to do it with the needle nose pliers and a screwdriver. So nice. All right, guys, I got the right tool. I hope. A little horseshoe deal to get the hub off. So just grab one of these, see which one fits. Fits the best. That one's too small. Other one's too big. This one should fit just right. Just like that. And you're going to use that to pull the hub off before you can even get at the bearing. All right, got the right horseshoe on there. Got this step washer. Fits right in the back of the bearing. And this nut. Slide the bolt through. Put some grease on the nut. Tighten her up. Put a little grease on the bearing. I usually like grease everything, but just so it spins better. Everything spins better. A little grease on it. Let's tighten her up. It should pull this hub right off. Ready?
So what am I doing
You're
here?
gonna hold it.
I'm just holding?
So hold it so I'm
Oh,
going to put pressure on it.
I got you.
I'm going the wrong way. Ready?
Yep.
Holding it.
Yep.
You got it? Yeah, hold it.
Truck bed,
Oh yeah.
and it's a dump truck.
Oh
And
yeah.
he built seats onto it, so he's got
No
three
way.
tiers of seats.
Wow.
And so he gets into town, he pulls it up sideways so the bed faces the street, tips up the bed.
Oh, look at
Then he's
that.
got stairs going up.
You serious?
No. And he's got like, stadium seating
Yeah.
with the beer cup holders and everything.
Try to chisel this, but I think I'm gonna have to cut it a little deeper. I think I went deep enough. You want to hammer on it until it cracks. And once it cracks, you can chisel it and get it off. So what I'm doing now is I'm just kind of doing one of these and then going around it. Almost got her. Looks like I cut into it a little bit there. I'll probably take a hammer and just tap it that way now, but there you go. Got it off. Cut a little deep. A few spots. Once you hit that with the chisel, unfortunately. And sand that out. That'll be fine. And a little deep there, so I'll sand that out. But she's ready to go back on. All right, we got her in there. With a lot of fighting. But it's in. Just gotta throw that snap ring in there. I'm gonna throw a little grease in there for the heck of it. Can't hurt nothing. So, now for the snap ring. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe button, and we'll see you soon.